Hey, what's up, guys? I'm here in Tulse Hill today. I'm just waiting to get a train, but there's several delays. It's a hurricane, well, storm. Found out what the name of the storm. It's called Storm Doris. That's what I heard. And I'm here, just waiting around for the train. Hope you like my videos from last night. Yeah, I'm just waiting around, and as you can see, it's quite windy, very windy out here. Oh, I forgot, today is Wednesday, it's Thursday. I'm still sat at the station waiting around for the train. There's several delays, so I can wait. I'll have to wait and see what happens. And yeah, have a look. This is Tulse Hill. Hopefully, I get to see some trains coming. So, oh, my old school used to be just